This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hello, students. Today, we'll identify the parts of a circle. Let's label the parts of this circle together now. This point is called the center. The center is in the middle of the circle. All the points on a circle are the same distance from the center. This segment is called a radius. A radius connects the center to a point on the circle. This segment is called a chord. A chord connects 2 points on a circle. Notice that this chord doesn't pass through the center. A chord can connect any 2 points on a circle and doesn't have to pass through the center. If a chord does go through the center, like this segment, it's called a diameter. That means a diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. It's helpful to know that the diameter of a circle is always twice the length of the radius. Remember, a radius connects the center to a point on the circle like this. When we double this radius, we see a diameter. Now that we're familiar with the parts of a circle, let's look at some example problems. What is line segment ST? Well, we can see that this line segment connects 2 points on the circle, S and T. Does line segment ST pass through the center of this circle? That's right, it does. So that means that line segment ST is a diameter. Let's keep going. What is line segment PO? Just like in the last example, we can see that this line segment connects 2 points on the circle. But this time, it doesn't pass through the center of this circle. So we can identify line segment PO as a chord. What is X? X is a point located in the middle of the circle, which means X is the center. Remember, all points on this circle are the same distance from X. What is line segment BE? There are a couple different line segments shown in this circle, but we're looking for the line segment that connects points B and E, which is this one. This line segment connects the center, B, to a point on the circle, E, so it is a radius. Here's another question. The diameter of a circle is 24 meters. What is the circle's radius? Let's draw a circle to help us. We know that this circle has a diameter of 24 meters. Remember, the diameter of a circle is always twice the length of the radius, which means that the radius is half the length of the diameter. To find half of 24, we'll divide 24 by 2. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So the radius of this circle is 12 meters. Let's try one more. The radius of a circle is 49 millimeters. What is the circle's diameter? Since the diameter of a circle is always twice the length of the radius, we can multiply the radius by 2 to find the diameter. Here, we'll multiply 49 by 2. That gives us 98. So the diameter of this circle is 98 millimeters. Nice work. Let's recap what we learned. All the points on a circle are the same distance from the center. A radius connects the center to a point on a circle. A chord connects 2 points on a circle. And a diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Good luck identifying parts of a circle on your own.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.